Hello, viewers. My name is James Abbey, and I'm the founder and director of the Stumath project. Now, what is Stumath? Stumath is an educational program that provides our growing global communities with a learning medium through which students, tutors, and educators get connected to learn, teach, and make money. Yes, that's right, make money. So, how do you make money? The first step is simply to sign up as a student, tutor, or educator. So here's our sign up form. All you have to do is fill in the form and get started. So I'm going to log in with one of my accounts so I give you guys an insight to how it looks like once you've logged in. So let's get to it. Okay, so um, here we are. So this is what it looks like once we are logged in. So here um, we have the current number of users, we have the current number of questions on the platform. So what this program does is it gives the users access to ask questions, to solve questions, and to view all the questions and solutions in our library. Um, so how this works is here we have a by lane of questions and answers. And you can scroll down and access all the previous questions and their respective solutions. So if you're looking for a solution to a question, look to its right and you would have its solution. So you click in any question and it populates over here on the left. Similarly, you click on the right of a question and you can access its solution. So it's that simple. So questions and answers. Now we're going to move on to how to ask a question. So I have a question here and I have a solution, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually ask a question and provide a solution. So to ask a question, we get over here the ask question button, the purple button, we click in it and we just fill the form right here. So what I always do is I always try to preview the question before I actually upload it. So I go to choose file and I'm going to select the question. As you can see, I can preview the question and I can also provide a caption. So the caption here is, what is the probability that the point chosen will be in the small circle? Right, so that's it. So that's a question that falls under probability. We would select the grade. Let's say that's a high school question, and we're good to go. So as long as we've, um, as soon as you fill all this items here in the form, you're good to go. You just click on ask button, and what's gonna do is automatically gonna upload your question and be placed at the top. So as we see, we now have the question we've just asked right here. And if everyone or anyone logs in, that's the first thing they would see. Now, so that's how you can ask a question. Pretty simple. Now, let's move on to how you can provide a solution. So I already have a solution to this question. I'm going to just show you guys how you can actually provide a solution. So you just look at the bar underneath the question. You'd have to choose the file. So all the questions and solutions um, will be provided as an image. So to ask a question or solution, you take a picture of your question or a screenshot and you upload it on the platform. So I'm going to upload the picture of my solution, which is right here. And of course, you can preview the solution to see if you're okay with it. If you okay with the way it looks, then you just go ahead and click on solve. So Let's just see what happens. So, right, our solution has been uploaded successfully. Okay, so when it loads, our solution will sit right next to its question. So right here, if I click on the solution, I would see it right there. So guys, that's how easy you could provide solutions on the platform. And remember, for every solution you provide, you're getting paid. So the more solutions you provide, the more money you stand to get paid. All right. Now I'm going to move on to the comment section. Okay. Now, as you can see right here, underneath every question or solution, there is a comment section. So you can simply just leave a comment, and whoever reads the question can access the comment. So I'm going to click on that question, and I'm going to drop a comment just to show you guys how it works. So I'm just gonna say that this is interesting. This is interesting. And I'm just going to share my comment and we'll see how that works. Okay, so here we are. And as you can see, that's my comment. It tells us I have got one comment and we can view the comment over here. Um, you can also show or hide comments by clicking the button here. See, it just shows or hides the comments. So, guys, that's pretty much interesting. You can also reply to a comment and keep a feed going for as long as necessary. So that's pretty much how the program works in terms of asking questions, viewing questions, providing solutions. Now we're going to look at the search functionality here at the top. As you can imagine, the number of questions will grow with time. So if you're looking for something specific, then you can search to tailor your um, question. So, for example, if I'm looking for questions that are in the high school grade and under the science category, then I just have that and I click on search, and it's going to search the database for any of those that fits the category and display the results. As you can see, it says we've got 26 results for sciences in high school, and it's that simple. You can filter your search as much as you want to get exactly what you want on the platform. So finally now, guys, I'm going to talk about the most interesting feature, which is how to actually get paid. So to get paid, what you have to do is you'll have to activate your membership. So it's the orange button here. You click on that button and you'll have to subscribe monthly. And once you do that, you'll have access to ask and solve unlimited questions in the month that you subscribe for. So it's you get a whole lot more value for your money. Um, you pay 100 Rand a month. If you solve at least 10 questions every day, that's 100 Rand per day. If you solve 10 questions every day for 30 days in a month, you get at least 3,000 Rands a month. So if you pay 100 Rand and you gain 3,000, your profit is 2,900, which is a whole lot of cash just for sitting and solving questions on the platform like this. Okay, so when you would like to get paid, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go at the top and click on the click on your first name at the top bar right here. So if I click on the first name, on my first name, um, I'll access my profile page. So waiting for it to load. Mm, come on, let's load up. Okay, give it some time. There's probably some traffic on the site right now as we speak. Um, it's a little longer than I expected. Okay, so let's go to our profile page. So you click on your first name and it takes you to your profile page. So here, so on your profile page, it tells you your activity on the platform. So as you can see, I've got three questions here, one, two, three, and two have got solutions. So I can just click on them and I'll just access the solutions directly as I explained earlier. Um, One more thing, you could also rate a question or solution. You can only rate a question after it's been solved. You can rate a solutions once it's been provided. So to rate a question or solution, you look for the rate button here. You come over here and you select the star rating. So I'm just going to 5-star rating and I click on rate, and that would automatically give my um, solution its rating. So if I were to access that very solution, I would see the way it's been rated. So I'm going to go back to my profile. I'm going to click on that solution, and as we can see, that's the 5-star rating over there. So you can rate solutions, rate questions as much as you like. Okay, so now moving on back to our activity on the platform. So the program calculates your net value on the program based on your activity, and we pay you right here depending on the number of solutions you provide. So as this account, um, I have provided one solution, one verified solution. So they are two, but as you can see, this is unverified, whereas the other one is verified. So unless a solution gets verified, you would not be paid. So if your solution is unverified, just wait for it to get verified. And once it's verified, you will be credited into your account. So if I want to go ahead and request my payment, I'll have to click on the Get Paid button here. And when I do so, it takes me to my billing page. So on my billing page, I have the ability to I have the ability to add my preferred payment method. So if I want to be paid via PayPal, I'll click on PayPal, I'll enter my PayPal email address. If I want to be paid via my bank account, I'll enter my bank details here and save it. If I want to be paid via mobile money, I'll enter my mobile money number here, and I will be able to get paid via mobile money. It's into my cell phone. So that's pretty much how you can set up your payment methods so that once you reach a threshold of 100 Rand value of solutions, then you would be paid. Now, it's important to note that we would not pay users until they have accumulated that 100 Rand of value of solutions. What that means is you have to solve at least 10 questions to get paid. So as long as you solve 10 questions and you solve more and more, you will be paid. So guys, that's pretty much how the program works. The other features can be tried out and tested at your own comfort. I would recommend using a desktop or a computer for access to the platform. It works on mobile phones as well, but the best experience is on a laptop. So, viewers, once again, I hope that you guys find this program worthwhile. I'm looking forward to everyone joining the program, spreading the word, learning from one another, and making that money, right? So, thanks for your time, and remember, math is your birthright.